Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, dual sun moonroof. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, security system, cruise control, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.